I ate cough. Hi fam. I've not been able to sleep. The time now is 11:09 and it's really late. But I can't sleep because I have this very bad cough that won't let me sleep. And my natural remedy that I use for cough, I don't have it. As I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw this remedy that says that miracle leaf works for cough. And I have this leaf at home planted somewhere. So I'm like, let's give it a try. Anyway, let's go see if the leaf would work or not. Come with me. This is the leaf, miracle leaf. I'm roasting it. They said roast it on fire. Okay. So this is what we got. I hope this works because it's bitter. I've taken the medicine. I don't know. I'll tell you guys if it worked tomorrow. Good night.